I need to hit that.
No, this is
Soon.
Did y'all see that fucking?
All right, I'm gonna start singing in a minute when people stop screaming. But this is me recording myself, reading the lyrics at the same time. So I'm gonna try this. This is take 3. Sooner or later, life will pull you in, make you choose to rather sink or swim. Somewhere down the line, it's gonna break your heart, put you out and make you wear the scars. All these dreams come with all these doubts. When can't fit in, we try to find a way out. Learn to fight so they don't seal our faith. They say you never see it coming until it's way too late. These times are hard. It feels like nothing's gonna change, nowhere to start. And you've got nothing for the pain. Cause when life moves fast, it don't matter who you are. You gotta find someone to hold on to. Damn, these times are hard. We build those bridges and we watch them burn. So quick to pull the trigger, so slow to take our turn. We've all been locked out, we've been broken down the door. Some of us hit the dirt, some of us come back for more. When the thirst gets so bad, just dying to get a taste. When it don't involve religion, when it don't involve race. And there's everything to lose, cause we're never born to win. Willing to sacrifice everything we had just to roll the dice again. These times are hard. It feels like nothing's gonna change, nowhere to start. And you've got nothing for the pain. Cause when life moves fast, it don't matter who you are. You gotta find someone to hold on to. Damn, these times are hard.